Hello.
Sorry.
So please introduce yourself and then how do you like today's session?
Oh, my name is Frank Bye. I'm from Namibia, Ministry of Urban and Rural Development. I'm a Chief System Administrator there. Today's session was fruitful, so to say. I really learned a lot in terms of security, cybersecurity to be more precise. I think IT or cybersecurity is really broad. And I would recommend my IT colleagues to actually also, maybe if they have not yet done a session with you, maybe to do so. Because there's really a lot that one can learn. In terms of, we also touched on dark web, we touched on, we had some.
You found out how to create a virus and
Yes.
how to prevent those type of things.
Exactly.
Right. And which one topic that you really like the most among all those things today?
The topic that I liked the most was actually the attacks, cyber attacks. Just because this talks to our environment as well, the way people are reckless in a way. And one thing I've realized is, in terms of cybersecurity, Namibia is very far. Yes, in equipping themselves with protecting their environment, we are really far.
Right.
So I've also realized that I think the hackers that have been trying to hack us are amateur hackers.
Yes.
Because if you can create a virus now, share it, and then it attacks our systems, for instance, that is really extreme.
Right.
So I would really like to go